Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Kirkland, Washington, and I'm going to thatch this lawn here. And this is a lawn that's just got an incredible amount of thatch in here. Not moss, but actual thatch. And this is a very fine bladed grass. If you look down here and see, it's very, very fine bladed. And this client likes to use a lot of high nitrogen fertilizers on his lawn. And he's got an irrigation system here, so he can usually keep it green. It's been hot. It was 95 degrees just the other day, so this yard's under a little bit of stress and drying up. But it looks a lot better than a lot of lawns around here. And so I'm going to thatch this and take a whole bunch of the thatch out of here. Then later on in the year, this is August 19th today. And then I'm going to come back in September or early October to aerate, seed, and fertilize, and bring this lawn back. And it should look just beautiful. But I'm going to show a before and after thatching video here for you, and just to show you how much stuff that I can take out of a lawn here. This is fall, and well, it's summer actually, but I'm thatching this for fall, and getting it in preparation. And like I say, this is a very fine bladed grass, and it started rooting within itself. It's very, very spongy, and though this will look really, really good when he cuts it when it's green, you know, right now it's going under stress and rooting within itself, so it definitely needs thatching. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Oh, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Hello, this is Stuart for the Aerating-Thatching company, and this is the lawn here. I'm in Kirkland, Washington, and I have just thatched this lawn. And this is an after video. I'd just like to show you how much stuff I took out of here. There's a nice little pile right here, and this is an unraked lawn, of course. And I could actually take a fair amount out of this lawn here. This is August, so this is all really light and fluffy. So I can take the maximum amount of grass and old thatch out of this lawn and old grass with doing a minimal amount of damage. I can do a really, really clean job. In springtime, grass has a lot of water weight. I think grass is lawn grass typically around 90% water weight, I believe, maybe a little higher if I remember off the top of my head from the early 80s when I was going through turf school. And but right now it's dry, it's light and fluffy. This is an irrigated lawn, but still. And so I can really take a fair amount out of here without damaging the lawn. In springtime, it's a lot more challenging to take this much out of a lawn sometimes because of soil moisture. The blades of the thatching machine, I am using a power rake, PR18 Bluebird, a Honda motor. And I know how to set the machine, the RPMs on the machine, and the depth of the machine, and the types of grasses, how to work with them, what we got here in Western Washington. And so the bottom line is, I'm able to take the maximum amount out, minimal amount of effort, and get really, really good results, okay? Because I'm going to come back and I'll probably aerate, seed, and fertilize this in early October. And I believe that's what this client wants it done. So once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. If you can, please hit the like button. Bye bye. Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And here's a lawn that I've thatched and raked into piles, and I'm going to start loading this into the client's clean green container here very shortly. But I just wanted to show you actually how much comes out of a lawn sometimes. And I am thatching this in preparation for a lawn renovation that I'll be, and that's what the client just selected, I believe. And it's really neat this time of year because I could take so much out of a lawn. I don't know if you can see, but this is all just light and fluffy. And so I get these large piles of grass out of here while performing minimal damage to this lawn. I have raked this using a a debris rake right there. And I've not done a really fine lawn raking because the client will take it and mow it a couple of times. And yeah, I'm not seeding today or aerating or doing anything like that. So I'm just trying to get most of this debris, most of this thatch off the lawn. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. And thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.